Hello everyone, I am Rohit and I on behalf of Pseudo Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is known as One Little Kitten. It's from NCERT Board Class 1, Chapter 5, Subject English, and the name of the innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as naming method. The innovation behind using this idea is to bring the ritual of naming into learning pedagogy. And when we implement this innovation, it helps in building an interconnection with the concepts that have been taught in the lesson by changing the actual name of the students with the allotted name for a certain duration of time. And the duration for implementing this idea will be 20 minutes. And the concepts that we will be revising with the help of this innovation are about vocabulary, rhyming words, and numerals and number names from 1 to 15 as per our requirement. How are we going to implement this naming method? So when we are implementing naming method, we will be changing the name of the students with the theme of the subject that we are going to take. Suppose, for example, say there are three students and we name them table, chair, and pencil. And we ask all the students to call those students by that name. That is, they will be calling them by a table, student, and chair. After 2 days, when the students have got habituated with calling them with those names, then we start adding value to that. We start adding more information to that. That is, we can again change it to study table, blue chair, and long pencil. And now the students will be calling those students by study table, blue chair, and long pencil. This is a very key important point here. That is, the names which we are going to select here for naming the students should be such that we can add more value to it later on. It should have scope for value adding. And for this example, we instruct the students in the following manner. We take out names from the chapter, we write it in slips, and then we distribute among the students. And we ask the students to pin it up in the shirts. And then all the students will be calling each other by the name that is written there in the shirt instead of the actual name. And after 2 days, we add more value to it. Suppose related to this topic, related to this chapter, some of the allotted names could be like seal, seagull, eel, flea, butterfly, rat. So the students will be calling each other by this name. After 2 days, we add value to it. We add more information to it related to the chapter, like smelly seal, silly seagull, happy eel, fat flea, baby butterfly, big rat. And now the students will be calling them by these names. And if the students want, they can also add more information to it. And when we start implementing naming method with the help in our day-to-day curriculum activities, it becomes very interesting. The students find it much more interesting, and unknowingly they get to learn a lot of things by which in turn creates a self-learning environment among the students. And also it leads to critical thinking and decision-making skills. The students become more patient because when they'll be waiting their turn to get the name, and they'll be calling each other by different names. So it leads to a value of cooperation also among the students. And when you start implementing these ideas in your own classrooms, I'm definitely sure that you'll be getting a lot of benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. And also don't forget to download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Thank you.